Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see Bitcoin, of course, today, starting with our channeling as usual, of course, to see our price action here. Position from our channeling, we have, of course, after our bull run finished here, we saw a breakout for the price from the base channel, and of course, we see a drop toward the downside. This drop toward the downside, of course, is represented in three waves so far, where we saw, of course, a W, X, and a Y. And we still see the price ranging inside our base channel here. Nothing has been broken decisively, meaning, of course, breaking it, pulling back, and then breaking it again. This did not happen. And, of course, we still inside it ranging here, potentially to push for higher again, in a very likely scenario that it might happen here. And it start to get a higher possibility, of course, in three ways down, three ways up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regular flat for a wave 2 here. By all means, our scenario here for a flat is, of course, getting closer and closer after having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As a wave 1, you're looking for 3 wave 2, right? As a wave 2. 3 waves, A, B, and a C. Now, because we got a W, X, and a Y, this is your first 3 waves as a wave A. You might seek after a wave B here. It has to be, of course, an impulse correction impulse, for example, and then pushing down, of course, for a wave C, meaning a zigzag wave B, which it has to hit anyway, 0.7, 0.9 fib level normally for a wave B in a regular flat. Yeah, so wave B in a regular flat normally, well, you know, it can hit, of course, higher prices if it wants to here as an expanding flat. But the wave B normally has a general fib levels, yeah. So it's not really, I would say, like it can hit anywhere, yeah, for a wave B. But of course, normally within a regular flat, you might see, of course, the between the 0.9 here. And the 0.7, yeah. So I would say the best price for a regular flat can be around this area, guys. Yeah, so let's say here between the 886 and 0.786. So this is, of course, the next potential target here for a wave B in a regular flat, or it can be an expanding flat that it can reach above the high here, a new all-time high. That means 1.05 starting from 130K. Yeah, so and then hitting this area and can range to the 150 if it wants to, and then pushing for lower again, of course, tricking everyone that we're pulling up here towards the 200K. It can be even the 1.38 fib level, and you still can be in a wave B, and then of course pushing down later on for a wave C, aggressive wave C, of course, that it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here as an A, B, and a C, of course, for Bitcoin. It will come back, of course, to the same area where it was supposed to be finished as a regular flat here, 1 to 1 fib level. Both will hit the same area, of course, because this what is supposed to be right now, right? It should be 3 waves corrective. However, we're gonna take it step by step. We'll see, of course, what's gonna happen in this area first for wave B, short wave B, meaning regular flat, and then pushing down again. Yep, so this is regarding the flat. The deep correction is out of the scenario right now. I cannot talk about it before, of course, breaking the base channel again. If we don't see a weakness there, okay, I cannot talk about it. And if we don't break this base channel, we cannot really mention it. So very likely that we are much higher possibility. We are, of course, unfolding this regular flat here right now, or of course something as expanding flat. Let's move inside it, of course, on the 2 hours chart here. The 2 hours chart is telling us here, of course, that we are in W, X, wave Y so far, unless, of course, this 1, 2, 3, and this is your wave 4 still unfolding. However, very low possibility. The possibility start to be lower. I'm going to explain why. Because if you are in a wave 4 here, regarding this wave 2, it's a very shallow wave 2. The time has passed so much, of course, for a wave 4 in a wave 2 as alternation. That means this structure is finished already there. You are unfolding a new structure, and it might be, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How we make sure that we are in a wave 3? Well, we need to break simply the 75k 655, as we mentioned yesterday in the daily close, and I mentioned that a signal of strength has been found here, confirmation for higher, despite that we have hit this the one-to-one fib level for a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is not possible anymore. Wave 5 is longer than wave 3. Nope, not possible anymore to be, of course, in diagonal. And of course, we are looking for something much more bullish here, and I believe this is a large 1, 2, and then wave 3 in double 1, 2 again, 3, 4, and a 5 might be unfolding here. So yeah, very likely that we are turning to bullish here, guys. So that means, of course, because you have a double 1, 2 here, and you have a wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to finish a wave 3 only here. And then, of course, looking still for higher, meaning wave 3, wave 4, and a wave 5. This brings us closer to our scenario as a regular flat, of course, for Bitcoin might be unfolding here, of course, and confirmation for higher is taken. Well, right now we're gonna get a new confirmation for higher, which is breaking above the 75k 655. That means, of course, this is gonna be our price here, which is 76k 180. I would say here for bullish, confirmation for bullish, not just for higher, because if we break it, yeah, we might continue simply toward the wave 3 there. Invalidation of bearish, right? So this invalidation of bearish is exactly there, or I would say this has transformed to invalidation of bullish. Yep, it was invalidation of bearish. Now it is invalidation of bullish, 70k 73. Why? Because if you have a 1, 2 here, wave 3 unfolding, wave 4 is not allowed, of course, to interfere with the zone 1. If this happens, then something is wrong. It's only a wave Y, and it can be done, but I doubt it. Yeah? Even in a wave Y, you need an ABC. The wave C is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So it doesn't work so much here. And of course, this will break the 1-to-1 fib level, and it will bring us, of course, for higher prices. Therefore, things are shifting to bullish. Yes, in Bitcoin, things are shifting to bullish, guys. We might see, of course, several 1-2s here, and this might transform to a large 1-2 there. In a wave A, yeah, regular flat, very large regular flat, that it might be unfolding over there. Yep, so on the 1 hour chart here, we can see as well that this corrective wave is not impulsive. We see here kind of like a WXNY or ABC. We're still looking for higher for Bitcoin. And of course, the things are still showing some strength there. For Bitcoin as well, on the KGT 3-minute chart, we can see, of course, the price is pushing for higher invalidation of bearish. This is a very nice signal, plus the bullish is playing still there. Within the second signal of bullish here, of course, the things might explode toward the upside once we dive a little bit deeper correctively here and get a bullish signal. Then, of course, the things will explode toward the upside. Yep, so this is regarding Bitcoin for today. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.